My name is Evangelist Gebre Meskel from the Ethiopian Church, St. Mary of Zion, Ochurias, Jamaica. There's a lot of Rastafarians on the island, and we are accustomed to many denominations. But when I heard about this church, I just wanted to satisfy my curiosity. And so I came to visit, I learned about it, and I learned of the seven sacraments, especially baptism. Because there are more than one houses of Rastafarians. I started to grow my locks, and my lifestyle was changed, yes. But when I learned about the church and accepting the Bible, as the Emperor Haile Selassie, he says, we in Ethiopia have one of the oldest versions of Scripture, but whatever form or language it reaches us, the words remain one and the same. So I came and I was much satisfied with the sacraments, especially baptism. And then I've been here since 1975, was baptized, got my name, and very much active in the church, you know, especially with the construction of its buildings. Yes. I learned a lot, especially from Abune Yesehaq. I was his chauffeur many a times, and so during that time, you know, I would ask him many questions. So very interesting, and there was a time when we did a project. We went and we collected gifts like talents, and I was very much successful. And then he told us that the talents, as in Matthew 25, was not much of monetary, but it's knowledge. And so from then on, I was encouraged to go to seminary, so as to, you know, learn more and to impart my knowledge with my brothers and sisters. So he ordained me as an evangelist about 3 years later, and here I am, still active.